So this is the gate problem number 53. A 220 volt line, three-phase star connected synchronous motor has a synchronous impedance of 0.25 plus J 2.5 ohm per phase. The motor draws the rated current of 10 ampere at 0.8 power factor leading. The RMS value of line to line voltage in volts. So what we have, line voltage, three phase line voltage. So what will be the V phase equals to 220 divided by root 3, and that is equals to 127.01 volt. Now ZS is given 0.25 plus J 2.5. So RA will be 0.25 and XS is equals to 2.5, right? Now if you recall the previous tutorial, we have the no load voltage E0 equals to V cos phi minus IARA whole square plus V sin phi plus IA XS whole square and whole root over. Now cos theta, power factor cos phi equals to 0.8 lead. Okay, so due to the leading power factor, this sign is minus, otherwise it will be plus. So what will be E0? E0, if we just write down the values of these parameters, we will get the E0 as 141.65 volt, and this is your phase voltage. So E line to line is equals to 141.65 into root 3, and we will get 245.34 volt. So the answer is 245.34.